Hi, this is Ashish Chandra and welcome to another English lesson on succeeding. Today we are talking about between. Now I'm sure you know that writing something like 1939 to 1949 is an incorrect expression. It should be 1939 and 1949. But this error is not so obvious when people write between 1939 hyphen 1949. Guys, it should just be 1939 hyphen 1949. Also incorrect are expressions like between 15 to 20 people at the party. It should be written as between 15 and 20 people at the party. If you found value in this video, then like it and share it with your friends. Leave your thoughts on the topic in the comments below. If you're watching this on Facebook, then like my page, and if you're watching this on YouTube, then subscribe to my channel for more such updates in the future. Until next time, bye bye.